Let's say you're halfway through a refactor on a feature branch, then a message comes in. Something on the production instance isn't working right and you need to investigate it now. If you switch branches to fix it, your build state will reset. So any running dev process restarts. And you have to either commit your half-finished refactor or stash it and hope you remember what you were doing when you come back. It's not the best situation for something that should be simple. Worktrees solve this. A work tree is a second working directory for the same repository, checked out to its own branch. It's not a copy of the repository. It shares the same Git history in the same .git folder. You can have multiple work trees open at the same time, each on a different branch, and they don't step on each other. The command is git worktree add, and then you type the usual root or the step up folder. That creates a new directory at that folder that you mentioned on a branch called whatever that folder is. Open a terminal there and you're now working on that hotfix. Your feature branch sits untouched in the original directory. For Claude Code specifically, open a second Claude Code session in that worktree directory. Now you've got two Claude Code agents working two different branches of the same repository at the same time, and they can't collide into each other. Each one sees its own working tree and neither touches the other's files. Instead of working two issues serially, you supervise them in parallel. I like to name my worktree branches something descriptive like worktree agent hotfix or worktree agent scoring refactor, so it's clear in the Git branch output which branches belong to active worktrees versus merged work. Something to remember, stay on top of worktree cleanup. When you're done with a worktree, run git worktree remove, then the directory name, and it will remove that worktree. Orphaned worktrees can accumulate, and we don't want the SDK's build step to get confused about which working directory is active if you've got several stale ones sitting around. You don't need a worktree for every task. Use them when you genuinely need two work streams in parallel, not as a default. In fact, most starting developers will never need to know about having multiple work trees, but eventually you'll run into it and it's helpful to know what that is. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.